Hi, Chef Raphael here. On this video, it's a special video because I have guests. But first of all, what you're learning is how to make a chocolate yogurt cake. It's a nice cake. It's nice. It has a nice gloss to it. I can smell it. It actually smells nicer than most other chocolate cakes that I've done. Now, the thing about this, I'll show you the whole procedure, and like I said, I have guests with me. They are known as the Smiley Chef's Kitchen. So watch till the end, you see how we made the cake and you learn more about them. Let's get cooking. Welcome to the show. Now, again, like I said, we have special guests, the Smiley Chefs. So I'll let them introduce themselves and then we'll know a little bit more about them before we start baking.
Hi, and I'm Zawadi from the Smiley Chef's Kitchen.
And I'm Stephanie from the Smiley Chef's Kitchen.
So guys, one thing I know about them is that they are big fans of me as Chef Raphael. And how did you come to discover me on YouTube, and a little bit on how you started your YouTube channel?
We started our YouTube channel because we love cooking and also having fun, and we saw it as an opportunity to make it content for other people. And we started watching you during the pandemic.
Okay.
Yes, when we went online to search for more recipes and how to do some other stuff,
Okay.
we came across your channel.
Okay. So we met for the first time a few weeks ago, and they actually go to the same school as my daughter, which I didn't know. But now, today's video is actually like a class. So I actually do cooking classes. They love baking, and there's a few tips that I'll share about baking, and we're doing this wonderful chocolate cake with yogurt. So let's start. So for the ingredients, I have the all-purpose flour, sugar, cocoa powder, and the raising agents. So we have baking powder and bicarbonate. Whenever it comes to a recipe, I don't know if you know this, sometimes you have some recipes with only the baking powder, right?
Yes.
And others with just the bicarbonate of soda.
Yes.
So whenever you see a recipe saying you use both, don't say because you have this you'll not use this, or because you don't have this you'll use this. That's really important. Whatever the recipe says, you have to use it. So we also have coffee. This is for flavor. It's kind of optional, but it actually enhances that chocolate flavor. And then now for the wet ingredients, we have natural yogurt, about 4 eggs, and then oil, cooking oil, which is about 1.5 cups. So we'll start with the dry ingredients here. Then mix. I want us to crack the eggs. Just want to see how you do it. So the technique when it comes to breaking an egg is hit it on just one point here like that. You just want a small crack. What will happen is that this side will have like a crack, and this side will have another crack. You put your fingers inside slowly like that. Don't press too much, and then open it. You open it like that. So what you should avoid is to press it too much, because when you press it too much, now the eggshells will get in. Step by step, now you can try one. So one need to remove. So that's ready. Just mix everything. What? The baking powder. So we need 3/4 spoon of that for this amount of flour we have. Yeah. same, no, then the bicarbonate, baking soda, same thing. Water. Yes, that's enough. And then we'll just mix this once again. Is using an electric mixer, but if you're going to use like that, okay. Yeah, on. You love chocolate chips. Okay, I have chocolate chip is still okay. So I'm going to pour it into my baking tin. Now, what I have here is a foil paper. You can use parchment paper or greaseproof paper. Now, whenever you're using foil, that's really important because it prevents it from sticking. Yeah, so we have that. How long it will be determined by actually the size of the tin. When you open, be careful because of the hot air blowing out so you don't get burnt, and then just put it. So guys, as we wait for the cake to bake, let me talk about the Smiley chefs. Now, the reason they are here, first of all, they are one of my biggest fans and I'm excited that they have a YouTube channel. So having them here and giving them motivation that they can actually do this is a big deal. Now, how I actually met them, like I said, it's a few weeks ago. It was through a school WhatsApp group. A poster was shared on the WhatsApp group. A poster was put and it was actually a fan's appeal. Now, what drew me even more, sometimes WhatsApp group have so many things happening, but what literally drew me to that poster is that Chef Zawadi. So I was curious, who is this Chef Zawadi? I've never heard of. And then when I was reading it, it was wow, it was really intense because as a parent, I felt it because I actually went to their YouTube channel and it's the Smiley Chef's Kitchen. So make sure you subscribe and like their channel. Now, I saw it and it touched me. Zawadi has been having this condition of she has sickle cell anemia, and it's a painful experience, especially the past 10 years since they found out that she was born with it. It has been a journey. It's been painful, and the parents have described it well on the video. Again, check it out on their channel. And for me, I felt, what can I do? So they have a fan's appeal. They have Zawadi is scheduled to have a bone marrow transplant later this year in December. So they have a fan's appeal. So they have a GoFundMe page. So you can get it on the description of this video. They also have an Mpesa line that you can send your donation. The target is 10 million Kenyan shillings that will see her undertake the procedure, the recovery, and even when they come back to Kenya, the whole thing, it's really intense. So this is my special appeal to you to help me help them.
I can smell the aroma. I think it's ready.
Yeah, you smelled it from the other side, right?
Yes.
Yes, so check if it's ready. And now you can check if it's fully cooked. Just put that. And then inside, wherever there's a crack, where the crack is, yeah. What do you think?
There's no gooiness inside. I think it's ready.
How it looks. What I like, it's how does it look?
Looks soft and fluffy. Looks yummy.
How is it?
It's soft, it's moist, it's fluffy, and it's chocolatey.
Too sweet?
No,
It's just perfect, right?
just right.
Yeah, actually, this is my favorite chocolate cake right now. You'd think,
the yogurt adds another flavor also and just another texture.
yeah, texture, flavor, it just makes it different than when you're using milk. Wow. Yeah, wow. It's really nice. You should try it.
Thank you so much, Chef Raphael. We have learnt a lot from this video.
Thank you also for coming to my kitchen.
We hope to do this again.
Yes, we will, especially after December, whatever the procedure. We wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Sign us out.
We hope you enjoyed that video, and you can share your support by liking, subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye. And guys, don't forget, Smiley Chef's Kitchen on YouTube. Goodbye.